Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today I have my samples to share with you guys that I pulled in last week's Sample Sunday series. So I've tried them all out and I can tell you guys my final thoughts and opinions on them, whether or not I feel like I would purchase the full size. So let's jump into this. The first one I want to talk about is the Kenra Platinum Deep Detox Scrub. I just had to go pull this one out of my shower. I forgot it in there. This is an intense weekly clarifier. I really enjoyed this. It does have like sand particles, it feels like, in it. I'm not exactly sure what the particles are, but it's got something that's kind of scrubby in there. So it's not just something that's going to actually like cleanse your hair where it gives you that squeaky clean feel. It also has something in there to actually scrub the products out that are in your hair. So like if you use a lot of dry shampoo, it's going to help to get all that residue out of your hair. So I really did enjoy this. It lathers up very nicely. The only thing that I had a problem with it is getting those little particles out of my hair. I had to rinse my hair twice to make sure I got them all out, because otherwise it felt like there was sand stuck in my hair. But this was really nice. I really enjoyed this. So definitely would purchase this for something to deep cleanse my hair. I don't use a ton of dry shampoo, but I do use other products that can kind of like weigh your hair down and make it have some sort of buildup. So would purchase for sure. The next thing is from Giorgio Armani. Like, this is pinky out stuff. Like, put your pinky out when you're using something like this. This is fancy. So this is a foundation. So it's called the Luminous Silk Foundation. I have this one in the shade 5.5. It's a tad dark for me, but nothing that I'd be like, oh my gosh, I definitely wouldn't use that color. It's just a tad dark. So I think in the summertime, this shade would work better for me. I really like this foundation. When you first put it on, it's very, very like almost sheer. And then you do your second, I typically, if I know it's a sheer foundation, I will go in and put a second coat of it on, or a second layer. I'm not sure what you call it. I'll put a second part of it on my skin. And this just looks so beautiful. It doesn't settle into any of my fine lines. It looks really nice because it covers what you really want it to cover, but yet it still gives your skin a luminous look, and not only just a luminous look, but a nice look. So your skin looks very fresh, hydrated, as well as just looking like good. I don't know any other way to put it. It just looks really good with this foundation. It wears for a long amount of time. Love this. No wonder this was a highly, highly talked about product on YouTube. It's good. Very good. I would definitely purchase this for sure. The next thing is from The Ordinary. So this is the Caffeine Solution 5% EGCG. Not sure what the EGCG stands for, but it's supposed to reduce the appearance of eye contour, pigmentation, as well as puffiness. I did not notice a difference at all with this. I used it for the whole week. I used it day and night, and I didn't notice a difference whatsoever. So my eyes underneath look the same. Actually, my eyes look kind of bad today. So I don't think that's the issue. I think that's just, I've been getting over kind of a cold. So, but either way, I just didn't find that this was very useful for me. I mean, not that it wasn't very useful. It wasn't very helpful. So for me, I just think that it's a good product to use, but I don't think it's something that's going to give you a big benefit. If you're looking for something to really tighten your area up underneath your eyes, the Dr. Brandt, I can't remember what it's called. It's the Dr. Brandt one. Hang on, I think I have it here. Yes, this is the Dr. Brandt Needles No More, No More Baggage. This stuff does a phenomenal job for underneath your eyes. If you want something to really tighten up, this does a great job of tightening everything up for you. But other than that, that's all it really does. But this one's supposed to help with dark pigmentation as well as puffiness, and I didn't see a difference. So I don't know if you guys have ever tried that before. Maybe I'm just having a hard time seeing a difference, and maybe you guys saw a bigger difference than I did. You'll have to let me know, but for me, I just didn't see it. The next thing is from Curel. So this is a little bottle right here. This is the Intensive Moisture Care. This is the Moisture Facial Lotion Enriched. I was told that lotions can come in like a liquidy style form. I didn't know that. I thought lotion always meant that it was thicker for some reason. But this was nice. It's more like a serum when you put it onto your skin, but it gives your skin a lot of hydration. For me, this would be great to layer up with other things because my skin is very, very dry. So when I layer up products like this where it's a lot thinner, and then I can put something a little bit thicker onto it, and then my skin is very hydrated. So this was actually pretty nice. I also found out that Curel is not that cheap. I thought Curel was a lot cheaper than it was, but it's not as affordable as I thought it was. So that's unfortunate to know, because I was hoping that we'd find a good drugstore affordable brand that could be a new skincare favorite, but I don't know. I'll have to go check out the prices at different places. The next thing is from Biolage. This is the Hydra Source shampoo for dry hair. This is really nice. I like Biolage. I think their products smell really nice. Pretty sure my hair stylist uses a lot of their products as well, because I've seen these bottles sitting in her beauty salon. So this was actually really nice. I didn't notice that it made my hair feel hydrated or anything, but it didn't dry my hair out. So that to me was what I was like, okay, so it didn't dry it out, but it didn't make it feel like oily or hydrated or weighed down or anything. So if you're looking for something to just keep your hair from being dry, I think this is pretty cool. But will it help your hair with moisture? I'm not so sure. The next thing is from, this is the Soap and Glory Sexy Mother Pucker, and this is in the shade Plums Up. So instead of Thumbs Up, it's Plums Up, I was told. So, and I don't know why I had a hard time figuring that out last week, but it's Plums Up. So this is just a little lip gloss. I really like this. It does give a little bit of a plumping effect, but I wouldn't say it's like the Too Faced lip injections. Those are a lot more extreme in my opinion. This is a lot more just friendly to your lips, so it doesn't feel so harsh. So this was actually really nice, and the color is actually really pretty as well. So let me show you what the color looks like once you put it on. It's very sheer, but it definitely has some sort of color to it. So there it is. So as you can tell, it's got a little bit of a pinky nude shade to it. So I think it's beautiful. So I really like that. I'm very much into more hydrating products like that lately instead of lipsticks themselves. Like right now I have a Too Faced product on. This is actually called, this is the Too Faced in, what is this called? This is the, what is this? This is the Rich and Dazzling High Shine Sparkling Lip Gloss. And this is in Two Night Stand. So here's this little product here. That's what I'm wearing on my lips today, and I love the way it just feels on my lips. I love hydrating products. I like glosses more than I like lipsticks lately, so really enjoyed that. Then we have a couple more items in my little basket here. The next thing is from CeraVe. This is the Ultra Light Moisturizing Lotion. It has SPF of 30. I'm pretty sure that's what that says. I need like a little magnifying glass. So this was nice. It didn't, sometimes when I put like a sunscreen on my face, even if I don't mean to, it'll get in my eye somehow, and then it makes my eyes water. This did not cause any kind of reaction like that. So, and it smells a little bit like sunscreen, but not extremely like sunscreen. So if you're someone you don't like that sunscreen scent, I think this was a good one. So this worked really well for me. I don't know that it actually helped with like keeping my skin from getting burned or anything, because unfortunately in Virginia, we've had a lot of rain lately. So not a whole lot of time for sunshine. Then we have two perfumes here. We have the Bamboo Jasmine. This is the Nest fragrances. And then we have the Gucci Bamboo. And I didn't realize that I had pulled two bamboo fragrances, which was really interesting as well. So I enjoyed both of these scents. Of course, the Gucci Bamboo I think is a little bit more stronger. The Nest one is a little bit more subdued. And the Nest one, of course, I liked just a tad more, actually a lot more, because I really like the Nest fragrances lately. I think Nest fragrances are so good because they just pair things together that you wouldn't typically think of. And the pairing that they did for this one I think is fantastic. So loved both of these, but I would highly recommend the Nest one over the Gucci because I think the Nest one is fantastic. So let's go ahead and start with some new samples here. So I'm going to pull out of the perfume sample container first. The first one is, oh, what is this? This is Rosie Jane Leila Lou. That is a very tiny little sample. I've never seen one so tiny, so I'm excited about that one. I've never even heard of that fragrance before. The next thing is we have Grapefruit and Verbana. This is another Nest fragrance. Ooh, I'm excited. I love the Nest one, so I'm hoping this is another good one that I might be able to add to a wish list. Now we're moving on to makeup. So we're going to pull two out of the makeup basket. The first one is, we have the Buxom. This is the Lash Mascara. So this is the Mascara Blackest Black. I think I've tried this a long time ago, but it's been a while before I started learning more about how to do mascara because I'm still not great at it. Believe me, I'm not. But I've learned a little bit more techniques and tricks that help me out a little bit with from not having such a mess with it. So I'm excited about trying that again. The next thing is, let's see. What do we have here? Oh, another mascara. So we have two mascaras. They're going to go head to head this week. So we have the Maybelline Total Temptation. This isn't like a really pretty packaging. It's like a nude pink. So there's what the packaging looks like. This is the Very Black. So I'm excited about trying that as well. I'll show you guys the wand next week. Actually, I can show it to you now. That'd be smart. Oh my goodness. So here's what it looks like. The wand is a little bit thicker on this one. It smells like baby powder. That's interesting. Okay, let's see what the other one looks like. I was going to say it didn't have a smell, but then all of a sudden I'm like, I smell baby powder. It does smell like something. I'm like terrible about opening packages. You see this? I'm like a hot mess. Or just a mess, not really hot. Okay, let's see. This one looks like, oof, this has got the real spiky little wands to it. So that one's plastic. The other one's more like the other one's more like natural bristles. I don't know what the difference is. Is it natural bristles and then rubber? Is that the difference? I don't know. Then we have skincare. We're going to pull 3 out of here. The first one is, let's see. Ooh, something big. This is the Vichy Liftactiv Peptide-C. Reduces wrinkles and a contour look, not looked. It says it firms and brightens. It's 48-hour hydration. What? Okay. Let's see what this looks like. So it comes in this cute little package right here, the Vichy. So let's see what the actual formula looks like as well. Oh, it looks really thick. So that's probably why it's very hydrating, because it's a very thick lotion. The next thing is, let's see. What do we got? Okay, we have, this is the Covergirl Clean and Fresh Balm. So I'm not sure that this is actually, I think this might be makeup, but we're going to try it out either way. This is the Clean and Fresh Illuminator. So it's actually, yeah, this is a makeup item. This is in So Guilty, shade number 400. So let me open this up as well. Oh my gosh, it's got like a plastic wrapper on it that I can't get off. Okay, so maybe we won't get that open right now. I can never get these plastic things off. I always just try to twist it. What about you guys? And I'm making a heck of a noise. So I'll show you guys next week what that looks like. The next thing is, let's see. We have the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Strengthen and Balance and Hydrate. So I don't know if this is different. Oh, this is a barrier cream. Oh. Is that different? I don't know. It seems different, but I'm not sure. Either way, we'll test this out because I can use some good hydration for this week. So we'll have 2 hydrators going head to head as well. Now we're on to hair and body. So I'm going to pull 2 out of here. First one is, ooh, we have the Wella. This is the Envigo Brilliance. This says it's got lime caviar. It's a vibrant color conditioner. So I do love a good conditioner. Sometimes I won't even wash my hair. Like if I feel like my hair just needs something to make it smell better, then I'll just get it wet and condition it. And that really helps me out sometimes. The next thing is Ahaha. This is the Deadsea Mineral Hand Cream. And this is a different one than what I've tried. I've tried the one in the blue container. I haven't tried this one before. I do need some lotion on my hands though. So let's go ahead and give her a little test here. All my words are sounding weird today. Let's see. Oh, I don't think I like the scent to it. It smells like expired baby powder. I don't know. I don't think I love that. Okay. Anyway, now I got stinky hands. Now we're moving on to the giveaway bag from last week, which was this pretty one right here, which I have a surprise for you. So this one is the one that like color changes. So I was told last week that I don't go down far enough into the comment section. So I'm going to scroll to the very bottom and then scroll back up that way a little bit. And then that way there, everybody gets a fair chance. So let's see if we can find our video here. So we have the Sample Sunday. So I'm going to scroll down into the comment section. We're going to scroll to the very bottom. I'm going to keep scrolling until we get to the bottom here, guys. I know that you guys have mentioned that, well, since you comment first, that your comments don't typically get looking at, which that could possibly be because I know sometimes I just scroll a couple times and then we get to there. All right, we're at the very bottom now. So I'm going to scroll up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. We're going to just keep scrolling like this and stop. We are at Amy007. She says, awesome picks this week. Have a, oh, she forgot the hashtag Sample Sunday, so we can't pick her. I'm sorry, Amy. So we're at Teresa's Beauty Bag. She says, I definitely want to try the Ofra highlighter. Beautiful sample bag, hashtag Sample Sunday. So Teresa's Beauty Bag, you win the goodie bag here. So this is your goodie bag. If you are still interested, all you have to do is find my email in the comment section or the description box below. Send me an email with your mailing address and I'll mail this out to you. So congratulations, Teresa. All right, so now we're moving on to the new goodie bag, which I found another one of those. I have another one of these goodie bags that change colors, so that is cool. So this is another Ipsy bag actually. So let's see what we can fill this one up with this week. I do have some extra new things in the basket as well because I had an order from Ulta and it came with a ton of samples. So as you can tell, the basket's full again. So I'm going to reach in here and grab our 10 samples out. The first one is, we have the Skin & Co. This is the Face Gommage. Yeah, I do remember that actually. It's like an exfoliator, so it's really good. The next thing is, whoops, I'm dropping stuff. We have the Bare Minerals Lashtopia. The top popped open here. Bare Minerals Lashtopia, so this is a mascara to try out. The next thing is, ooh, this is something big. Ooh, we have the Sephora Beauty Insider little notebook. So it's a notebook with a little pen here. That's 3. The next one is, let's see. Ooh, we got something good. We have the Living Proof Restore Mask Treatment. So this bag's gonna get stuffed quick. That's 4. The next one is, we have the Becca, this is the First Light Priming Filter. That's 5. Next one is, let's see. Oh, we have 2 here. You got the Olay Luminous Tone Perfecting Cream and the Kate Somerville. This is the Wrinkle Warrior. This stuff is really good. That's 6. The next one is, we have, ooh, this is the Wella Oil Reflections Luminous Soothing Oil. This is actually really nice. So that's 7. 3 more to go, guys. The next one is, we have the Kula Tan Sunless Tan Anti-Aging Face Serum. Ooh. That's 8. 2 more. The next one is, ooh, what do we have here? Something big. Ooh, we have the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Conditioner. 1 more to go, guys. And then this bag, I think it might not be able to close actually, so it's pretty full. The next and last one is, we have the Jane Iredale Smooth Affair. So this is a primer. So that is everything in the goodie bag. If you're interested in winning this goodie bag, all you have to do is leave me a comment. Make sure if you're interested in it to leave hashtag Sample Sunday so I know you're entering the giveaway. Other than that, I would love to also know what samples you guys are going through, which ones you're using, if you found some good ones to recommend. This lotion on my hands, I'm gonna have to go wash it off. It smells terrible. I'm probably gonna use it as a foot lotion, I'll be honest. So anyway, I would love to know about your samples that you've been using. If you found some good ones, you found some bad ones, or did you find one that you ended up purchasing the full size in? That would be interesting to know as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, I'll catch you guys later.